Hello, this is Patrick White with your Tuesday, September 8th morning market update. Grain markets are seeing some two-sided trade here this morning. We've got December corn down a quarter of a cent lower at 357 and three quarters. November soybeans are down 4.5 cents at 963 and a half. Corn is seeing some two-sided trade overnight. The corn market is nearly unchanged after being 4 to 5 cents higher at one time, trading up to 363 and a half before finding sellers starting at 4 a.m. Traders were initially supportive of corn last night as crop ratings are expected to decline here this afternoon from the dry weather that we saw last week. Additionally, traders are also optimistic over demand here near term as Chinese export purchases were strong last week and continue to be expected to be strong here this week. Overnight, however, we are off those highs as rain covering most of the dry areas of the Midwest is heading through as we speak. Over the weekend, dry areas of eastern Iowa and northern Illinois had about 2 to 4 inches of rain coverage here in some areas. I have heard of some localized flash flood warnings for some areas over there, and I would think that would be a drought buster for them for the rest of the growing year. And the help for corn from this rain is likely limited at this point, as the crop is nearly finished to already finished in some areas. Heck, I looked out over this weekend, and I've got some corn that's 14 to 16%. So definitely for me, that's finished. I think soybeans could be the recipient of the majority of the benefit from this rain. Overnight, November soybeans did trade all the way to the 977 area in the November contract before falling back to 962, and we're sitting at 963 and a half here at 745. Traders are still expecting crop conditions to deteriorate a little bit more this afternoon, and export demand is still expected to be strong. However, recent rains are keeping a lid here on prices for the time being, and additionally, we've had a stout rally in the dollar since September 1st, and that's also weighing on the market here a little bit this morning. Traders are going to be looking for export demand reports to support the market here today, but the recent good weather for some of the dry areas of the Midwest could win out to start things for this week. We could see some extra volatility. So just be mindful of some risk management, and if you guys are feeling behind on sales, the green light is still on for cash sales for corn and soybeans. So that's all I've got for today, and have a productive day out there, and I hope you guys get as much rain as you need. Remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give me a call at 712 262 7606.